Welcome back everyone. Today we are diving into one of the most powerful tools in HTML, hyperlinks. These allow users to jump from one page or site to another. I know you must have come across it in our previous video, the A tag. Now the A tag is used to create links. It stands for anchor. So I'm going to write the basic sample now. This is a basic hyperlink that you can use to move within a website. So if you look at the href, we have about.html. It means you are moving in a site, in a web. So the next one I'm going to write, it is to go to external website. Alright, so the second one here now, we have the one that have a URL inside. It has a URL inside, https www.youtube.com. So this second link is for external website. The first one, you use it to move around, to use path about.html, that's a path. Then the second one here is you are using a URL to move outside. So thirdly, we are going to write the hyperlink to move to sections. So for instance, if you don't want to write another page, you don't want to write another code for your about page or your contact us page, you are going to have the contact us down somewhere in the website or anywhere in the website. So we are going to create hyperlink that will take us directly to that section in the website, in this particular page, index.html. So let's go. So alright, now here we have a contact us below, just a paragraph. Write your full name and forward it to us. So how do we link to this particular heading here? We have heading 2, which is contact us, and have a paragraph. Now if you look very well inside this heading 2, we have an ID for this heading. So we already identified this heading 2 with contact. So I'm going to create the link that will take us there now. Alright, so this is very simple now. This third link here is all about going to contact. So if your user click on go to contact, it will just scroll down or scroll up to wherever this ID is. So let's test run this. Okay, alright, let me just put some content in between. Alright, so let me run this now. Alright, so we have enough now. So if I click on the first one, which is about us, it should take us to another page. Okay, this is another page now. So let's go back to home. If I click on the second one, it should take us out to YouTube. Alright, so okay, this is an internet issue, but already this is youtube.com. Alright, so let's go back. And if I click on the third one, it should take us to the section where we have our contact info. So you can see, just scroll down to this section here. So we click on this, takes you to the contact. Alright, so if you notice all this link that you have been creating is opening on the same tab. So now we are going to learn how to create a link that's going to open another tab, then load. So how do we do that? So alright, this fourth link here has an anchor tag, then href to Google, that's Google URL, and also it has target. Now this is what is going to make it to open another tab. Your target, inside the target you have underscore blank. So if I run this code and click on Google now, it's going to open another tab entirely, then run it there. So let's try this. So here we have our website on Chrome. Alright, so Google now. So it has opened another tab entirely. Yes, it opened another tab entirely. We are not on the same tab. So we have this here. So we click on go to my contact, scrolls down to contact us. We click on watch now. The same page, but it will load to YouTube. Now it has directed us to YouTube. So about us, we are still on the same tab, but it is loading another page. On the same tab, but it is loading another page. But if we use this Google now, it creates another tab to load. Okay, I think we have a typo in our Google. Alright, so lastly, we are going to learn how to create email link. So let's go there. Alright, so we have the last link here in our contact. So we have a paragraph saying write your full name and forward it to us. Then we have an input form to receive the full name with the placeholder full name. Alright, let's change this to text. So now what is the difference in other links and this link? This one, in the href, you are going to have mail to. You can see it there, mail to. Then after the mail to, we have your email, solotech@gmail.com, any email that you want your user to send the information to. Do you understand? Then that's all. Let's run this. Alright, so you can see, so it makes it easier for the user to send their information through mail. Alright, and that is it for hyperlinks. They make the web what it is, a connected web network. Alright, practice tasks. Create a mini web page with at least 4 links. 1 to another external site, 2 to move within your site using path, then 3 to a section on the page, then 4 the one that opens a new tab. Alright, thank you very much. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.